Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy, guys. Aries, so we have Page of Cups in reverse, 10 of Pentacles and Strength in reverse. Aries, so these are the cards. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or in this relationship, you are facing lot of obstacles, guys, lots of difficulties. You are trying hard. You are someone who's making a lot of efforts, who's responsible and who knows what needs to be done, maybe in your career or in your relationship. But no matter what you are doing, things are not happening as expected. So there may be troubles in your situation, guys, and the people, maybe the people you work with, they are not telling you the truth, or they do not have honest intentions towards you. So they are hiding something. They have their own agenda, something they are working for. So they are hiding whatever they feel or whatever they are doing, guys. And maybe for some of you there is some kind of weakness. It may be some bad habits, or it may be an illness, something you are going through, or it may be someone in your life, maybe this person you love. So they have some sickness, something worrying you, stressing you a lot today, guys. But no matter what your situation is, Aries, there is some happiness you have in your heart, maybe when you see this person you love. So maybe certain things, negative things may be in your career situation, guys, and things may be going in a very positive way in your relationship, or these energies may be vice versa. So things may be negative in your relationship, and it may be a really positive circumstance in your career, Aries. So but whatever your situation is, guys, you are having that peace of mind, happiness, that emotional satisfaction. So you have that understanding, acceptance in your heart, Aries. That may be the reason that whatever troubles you are seeing today, whatever you are dealing with, you are not letting go of that balance of your mind, and you are having that balanced, harmonious attitude in your life today, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Lovers. So with this card, guys, Aries, maybe this may be the person for you. This may be the love of your life. So this may be the person destined to be with you, and you both have a beautiful understanding, great compatibility. You may share mutual love, respect and caring with this person, and things are going in a very positive way in your relationship, guys. That is what I see with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is King of Wands. So in your career, maybe you are too stubborn on certain things, guys. Maybe you don't want to be flexible. Maybe you stand by your views and ideals and you are not willing to listen to the people whom you work with. That may be the reason for troubles today, guys, Aries. But you need to understand that if you want success and if you want a positive progress in your situation, you should or you should listen to the people whom you work with, guys, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances it was not clear and you did not know what to do or what is the reason for that situation or what is happening or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge, but today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind that circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you, and you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you, guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be what to say, diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations, you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So, whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So, if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So, that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold your hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.